Welcome to this video from the University of Reading Library on using your campus card to enter the library building. The access gates ensure that the study space can only be used by current library members, so you will need your campus card to come through the gates. If you've forgotten your card, please ask at the welcome desk, but be aware that there is a limit on the number of times you'll be allowed in without your card, so please try to bring it with you every time you visit the library. Approach the gates when they are green. If someone has just entered before you, wait until they have turned green again before trying. Go through the gates one at a time and leave a bit of space between people to ensure success. In the grey rectangle with the words "Hold card here", tap your campus card. You'll hear a beep and the gates will open and let you through. You'll need to scan your card in the same way to leave the building. If an alarm sounds as you try and exit the building, there may be a slight delay in the gate opening. If this happens, please speak to the staff on the welcome desk, who will be happy to help. Thank you for watching this video and good luck with your studies.